Blue Bloods is an American police procedural drama series shown on CBS in the United States and Canada and on Sky Atlantic in the United Kingdom. The series is filmed on location in New York City with occasional references to nearby suburbs. The show premiered on September 24, 2010, with episodes airing on Fridays following CSI NY before being moved to Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern and Pacific Time and 9 p.m. Central and Mountain Time for a 4-week tryout. After 4 weeks, it returned to its original Friday 10 p.m. Eastern Time slot, where it has remained since. On May 11, 2015, CBS renewed Blue Bloods for a 6th season. The season 6 premiere date is scheduled for September 25, 2015. The series follows the Irish-American Reagan family of police officers with the New York City Police Department, NYPD. Francis Frank Reagan, Selleck, is the police commissioner. He was a U.S. Marine Corps officer and a Vietnam veteran before he joined the NYPD. He is a 9/11 first responder, a widower whose son Joe was murdered in the line of duty, and has 3 other adult children, Danny, Aaron, and Jamie. Danny, Donnie Wahlberg, is a top NYPD detective, holding the rank of detective first grade, but is sometimes hard-nosed and does not always go by the book. Danny is also a Marine Corps veteran, having served in the Iraq War in Fallujah. Danny's partner in the pilot episode is Detective DeMarcus King, Flex Alexander. Then for the next several episodes he's partnered with Detective Ava Hotchkiss, Avada Copatch-Wright. His full-time partner is Detective First Grade Jackie Curadilla, Jennifer Esposito. However, Kate Lansing, Megan Ketch, became an interim partner early in Season 3. By episode 13 of that season, Danny Reagan obtains another interim partner, Candace McElroy, Megan Boone. As of Season 3, Episode 17, Danny's full-time partner is Detective Maria Baez, Marisa Ramirez.